Air cleaners for Harley-Davidson models, including the 103 cubic inch big twin variants, matter because intake efficiency directly impacts throttle response, combustion efficiency, and engine longevity. In a market with multiple fitments and generations, from CV carburetors to Delphi EFI, and from airbox intakes to cold air systems, choosing the right cleaner means balancing fit, filtration quality, airflow. Product number 1. For Harley-Davidson Sportster Air Cleaner Filter Street Road Glide M8 Softail Dyna 103-107 Air Intake Road King Touring. This nice machine round air cleaner intake is marketed as a vehicle-specific fit across multiple generations of Harley models, covering Sportster 883/1200, Twin Cam 1999 to 2017, and Milwaukee 8 2017 up lines, with separate model variants A through E that align to different generations and FBW/fly-by-wire considerations. It emphasizes a bottom right positioning and a weight around 3.4 pounds, with a 7.8 by 7.8 by 3.5 inch footprint and OEM reference NIC 957A. The kit appears to offer a robust round filter housing with a replacement filter and mounting hardware designed to maximize airflow while maintaining compatibility with a wide set of air cleaner intakes. Prospective buyers will note the broad compatibility and the explicit delineation of model applicability, which helps avoid mismatches on mixed-era bikes. Performance-wise, the product is positioned as a performance part rather than a stock replacement, with a focus on low to mid RPM airflow improvements typical of high-flow round filters. However, the lack of a quantified airflow increase or dyno-proving claims in the listing means real-world gains will vary by configuration, carb versus Delphi EFI, FBW compatibility. The multiple submodels A through E suggest careful selection is essential for proper fitment on 08 to 17 FLT Touring, 16 to 17 Softail or Dyna with FBW constraints, and 2017 plus M8 engines. Product number 2. The K&N HG1614 is a long-standing, high-flow replacement air filter designed for Harley-Davidson models in the 2014 to 2017 range: Softail Slim, Heritage, Softail Classic, Fatboy, Deluxe, Breakout, and others. It carries K&N's 10-year, million-mile limited warranty and emphasizes reusability, lower long-term cost, and a performance-oriented media that aims to increase horsepower and acceleration. With dimensions around 2.49 by 1.38 by 2.58 inches and a weight of 13.4 ounces, this is a compact plug-and-play filter designed for easy installation without requiring a full intake system overhaul. In terms of performance and usability, the HD1614 is a straightforward upgrade that typically yields noticeable throttle response improvements and a smoother intake note due to higher flow. The filter is pre-oiled and designed for quick swap, and K&N asserts significant savings over disposable filters while offering an eco-friendly, washable solution. Real-world gains depend on the existing intake design and whether the bike uses a closed airbox or a more open setup. This filter excels as a cost-effective, maintenance-friendly option that doesn't require extra hardware beyond the filter itself. Product number 3. K&N. The K&N RK3952 cold air intake system is a complete intake upgrade designed to maximize airflow with a high-flow, reusable air filter. It is marketed as compatible with 2008 to 2017 Harley-Davidson models with a focus on increasing horsepower, torque, and throttle response. The system includes a high-flow filter, intake tubing, and mounting hardware, featuring K&N's reusable filter media and a user-friendly installation process that can typically be completed in under an hour with standard tools. Performance-wise, the RK3952 is aimed at customers seeking noticeable power gains and more aggressive engine sound during acceleration. K&N supports wheel-based dynamometer tests and provides testing reports with the kit, which adds confidence in reported gains. The system is built in the USA and is designed to preserve factory warranty coverage, backed by a no-hassle, lifetime limited warranty. Potential drawbacks include the higher upfront cost relative to simple filter replacements and the need to ensure model compatibility with specific year ranges and throttle-by-wire configurations to avoid fitment issues. Product number 4. For Harley-Davidson Sportster Air Cleaner Filter Street Road Glide M8 Softail Dyna 103-107 Air Intake Road King Touring. This listing mirrors the NIC Machine 957A, B, C, D, or E family with the same fitment intent as Product 1, but appears as a separate listing with the same technical footprint and model variants. It emphasizes fitment across Sportster, Twin Cam, and M8 models, including ejectable notes about FBW compatibility and 2017 and up engine configurations. The lack of a listed price here creates an ambiguity for buyers evaluating value against the other Nick Machine variants. From a performance perspective, this alternative brings the same design language, a round intake housing, multi-model compatibility, and the expectation of a performance-oriented air path. Users should verify exact sub-model alignment, A through E, and ensure the final selection aligns with their bike's carburation or injection system, throttle-by-wire, and year. Given the identical product family, gains are expected to be similar to Product 1, contingent on precise fitment. Product number 5. For Harley-Davidson Air Cleaner Filter, Sportster, Touring, Street Glide, Road King, Electra, Dyna, Softail Motorcycle Air Intake. Top Raw Metals Air Cleaner Kit is designed to fit a broad range of Harley-Davidson platforms, including Sportster Iron XL 1200-883, Dyna FXR, Softail, Touring models, and Milwaukee 8 iterations through 2024. The listing highlights a chromed housing with a red filter element and notes multiple type fitments A through D to cover various generations. The package emphasizes a backing plate for smooth airflow into the carb or throttle body, built-in internal crankcase breathers, a replacement high-volume air filter, and the mounting hardware necessary for installation. Performance implications center on improved airflow due to a refined backing plate and exposed filter, potentially yielding better throttle response and a marginal to moderate boost in air intake efficiency. The inclusion of built-in breathers can simplify installation on some setups, while the chromed finish adds an aesthetic appeal for riders who value look as well as function. Real-world gains will depend on the bike's original airbox, carburetor, or throttle body configuration, and whether this is paired with an intake tube upgrade.